Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Just going through and doing some maintenance. Here's the passion vine trellis thing I created for shade, and it works really great. You can see the beautiful sun coming through it. Works really great. And underneath I have longevity and Okinawa spinach and some garlic and onions to deter some pests from chewing up the leaves, which it does work, thank goodness. And there goes Lulu chasing a squirrel. She broke a grapevine, one of the vines of the grapes. Luckily there's more of them, but she snapped one right in half. Oh well, I knew it was going to happen. Anyway, I'm going to show you the maintenance I do and how much we've eaten. A lot of the Okinawa and longevity spinach, but I'm going to show you how much I had to cut off. Now imagine, I get so many on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, just follow me, same name, Zaatar Gardens. I get so many DMs. Can we buy some longevity spinach? Can you send us something? Or I don't want to do that because it's just more time that I don't have right now. And you can buy them online. You can find them readily online. But I'm going to show you how much I cut off from Okinawa and longevity spinach right now. Look at all this. All this that grew into here, cut off. Just amazing stuff, by the way. So healthy, but we've eaten enough of it. See the dark purple of the Okinawa, longevity spinach right here, the yellow and green. There's the onion. I cut some of the onion. But yeah, benign flowers. They don't produce any viable seeds, so you can't buy this from seed. But yeah, so I could keep it back and have the concrete back and just sweep it up and clean it. It grows like crazy, especially in the heat, which we're going into right now. It's only 82 degrees today, though, middle of June, 82 degrees. Amazing. Here in Central California, Zone 9B. Within a month, it'll be all the way back here again, within a month. So the harder you prune longevity spinach and Okinawa spinach, the more it grows. I've had 3 trees here get cut down, and the workers that were cutting down the trees stepping all over the greens, and I told them it's okay. I'm the one that planted them. Just do what you have to do. Just be safe. They went to nothing. It was just roots in the ground, and within like a month and a half it looked like this, and then a month and a half after that it was out to here. And that was a while ago, but these grow like crazy in the heat. Amazing plant. Okinawa tastes better than longevity. But longevity cooks a little bit better. Okinawa gets really mushy. So Okinawa pretty much like fresh, so have it in salads or in your sandwich, and longevity cook. Or cook both, it's up to you. But Okinawa is going to be a bit mushy. Lulu got more space on the concrete now. Alright everybody, happy gardening.